And remember Zig Ziglar's formula for success. If you help enough people get what they want, you can have everything you want. 48 years ago, when I first heard Zig say that, I underlined the word everything, and I went for it. When I first got started as a distributor, everybody I could reach, everybody I could touch. I learned how to do that with such incredible enthusiasm. Since I first heard of health and nutrition and the idea of personal development, nobody has ever said to me in the last 55 years, when are you going to get going? I've never heard that. All I've heard all these years is, when are you going to slow down? When are you going to retire? When are you going to take it easy? Nobody's ever said to me, when are you going to get off the couch? When are you going to turn off the television? When are you going to get going? I've never heard that the rest of my life. Once the lights went on for me, they've never gone out. They've never gone out.